under the curse. All right, YouTubes. I'm gonna head out to do a evaporator coil on a beverage air R290 unit. Probably 3 years old. The evaporator's already a leaker. Let's get out there and take a look at it. All right, good news is it's a short drive over here. I got a really short commute today. Looks like we're gonna have a nice sunrise coming. Yeah, I got the green light. I come up here, I can take the little back road right here. Nice little short commute. How's that for a drive to work, huh? Not too shabby. I'm gonna pull right in front here. Here's my plan. Now see if I get the gate open. That was my commute. All right. There it is, 3 little screws. Evaporator sensor. Make sure I get the right coil. It's the right coil. Right dryer. Okay. I found it easier just taking everything apart to get in there. All this had to come out. So you can get around the coil better. So that's what I got going on right there. Out on that. That was squirrely McNurly. I couldn't film a bunch. But it's done, it's fixed. The copper tubing on that evaporator beverage air is so thin, it's an absolute joke. I mean, and I don't, no, you know what I do? I do want to complain about our trade and our industry because I've been so positive and happy-go-lucky all over the years on the shit we work on. I'm really starting to get jaded, and I hate to say it, and I don't want my channel to start getting negative or fucking crybaby and all that shit, but the quality of equipment is very unbecoming. And I'm going to be honest about that, and it's sad. I don't know if I'm getting too long in the tooth or what, man. But I still got to do this for another 10 years. I'm only 55 years old, man, so I got another 10 years. I started in this racket in 1987. I got a lot of years in, and I got 10 more to go. So I'm hanging tough. I'm trying to stay smart. It's just getting tedious and tiresome. If I'm going to be on, and I need to be honest with my viewers and my channel, and you guys work on all this stuff too, and you guys all know too. It's getting tedious and tiresome, and the customers need to know this. I hope customers watch my videos. It's getting tedious and tiresome on how just shit the quality of equipment is. And I've thought about this today. Think about this. So the reason that the wall thickness on coils have gotten so thin was supposed to be for efficiency, right? And I'm really sitting back thinking today, that beverage air coil, the wall on those coils are so thin. How the hell could it be greener to go thin on the wall of the coil to where these coils are all leaking in 3 years? If you just made a thick-walled coil, say it lasted for 10 years, all the energy it takes to make these thin wall coils over and over and over again in the raw materials, there is no way in hell it's greener. It's a pipe dream, it's a joke. Yeah, you can't tell me all this shit is greener, because it's not. It's a fucking joke. And I'm not pissed off. I'm not upset. I embrace it. It's just a shame that it's gotten to where it's gotten to. And the gear is so crap. That's all. I needed to vent. I'm glad I vented. And I hope you keep watching my channel. So my channel's still a small channel. I've been at this for a long time. Very long time. My first video was in 2010. Been at this a long time. I'm going to keep doing it. All right. Hey, Merry Christmas, you sons of guns. Look, Birkenstocks and shit. It's like, that's straight up boner deterrent right there. That was straight up hippie puss. Fucking boner deterrent.